Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your permission usage on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up and go to settings and go to security and privacy. Scroll down to where you'll find privacy and you will see permission used in the last 24 hours, right? So you can simply tap on that and it will open up your permission usage, right? So from here, you can see those permissions and you can see the last 24 hours and you can see your videos and photos, audios, microphones, nearby contacts, all this different stuff, right? And you can see the different applications that actually use these features, right? So you can always switch this to 7 days as well to get wider usage of what was used for each, and you can go back to 24 hours as well. You can always go ahead and also check, for example, the app, so you can toggle between permissions and apps so that you can see which applications were used and of course what it used for, right? So you can switch between whichever the apps or the permissions and see how it looks. Based on whichever view you want, you can go ahead and check this. But that's all. You can easily go ahead and check your permission usage or your app permission usage within your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.